Our clients benefit from working with a financial planner who's also a CPA in so many ways. One of them is our ability to represent you before the IRS without you being present. This can be a huge advantage. You may remember a national tax preparation firm advertising that if you're ever audited, we'll go with you. Well, that's because they couldn't go without you. But we can do it by having you sign IRS Form 2848 Power of Attorney, which allows CPAs, attorneys, or enrolled agents to communicate with the IRS on behalf of our clients. This has proven very beneficial as reflected in 3 specific client situations. First, there are times when a client can't produce the information needed to file their tax return. This may be due to problems with their mail, or when the client is not able to gather or organize the information due to illness, incapacitation, or memory lapses. Within 2 weeks of filing Form 2848, we can see what information was sent to the IRS. The information would include all income items, including Social Security received, and it would also include other items like mortgage interest expense paid. This is very helpful so we can be certain the return we filed matches the information provided to the IRS, or anticipate potential issues when it doesn't. By the way, with proper documentation, the site can also help executors obtain information on a decedent. Secondly, we uncovered an IRA that the surviving spouse did not know existed. Generally, investment companies report year-end IRA account values to the IRS on Form 5498. When we pulled the tax information for the decedent client, we found the 5498 for a sizable IRA account that was not known to anyone, other than the decedent, of course. You can imagine the surviving spouse's reaction to this news. Lastly, when Form 2848 is processed by the IRS, they're supposed to communicate not only with the client, but with us as well. They don't always do that, but in this case of another client, they actually did. So strike up the band. Not a few band jokes, but they fell flat, and anywho, we're moving on. The IRS informed the client that they were processing a recently filed tax return. However, we recognized right away that there was a problem because the client's return was on extension. Realizing this was likely a fraudulent tax return, we notified the taxpayer immediately. While the taxpayer acknowledged receipt of the IRS letter, he got confused and disregarded the notice as essentially junk mail. Fortunately, we were able to help the client resolve the issue. Based on our experience with these situations, we generally encourage clients to go ahead and sign Form 2848 so we can watch out for potential problems and deal with them quickly when they appear. At the end of the day, our job is to protect our clients. The Form 2848 is just one tool we use to fight those financial alligators on your behalf. If you're looking for tax-focused guidance on your financial journey, please contact us.